y'all, and we're back on another GlowTube video. Okay, today, before we get into the video, I just want to say I am starting a new GlowTube series, and it's called the LEGO Reviews video. The LEGO Reviews videos. So basically, as I turn my screen around here, you can see that I have a lot of Legos that I have to review. I have way more in my basement. So basically, the first video is the Formula One. Okay, let's go into that. Okay, so I got it down from my phone. So basically, if I take a look around it, it's pretty solid. It's a solid thing. Basically, it all comes with second are the cars that come in the back of here. Right there. They go in the truck. Third are the characters. First is the driver. Second is one of those like little fixer guys for one of the cars. Third is the Aston Martin car driver, and I really don't know what company she goes for, but I think she's a good one. And lastly is a girl that's just like him. I'm sorry that the video quality isn't really good. I'm still filming on my iPad. And lastly, there's a trophy. There's like one of those things that in a car, like that on the car, like you grab one of these and like you go like that. And that is a wrench, I think. Yeah, a wrench. Now let's go into all of the details of the car. So the first little hidden detail, the truck opens up. I'm gonna give you guys a better glimpse of it. The back also opens up too. On to the next detail. If you see these two little things, you might ask, what are these for? Basically, they come out like this. Yeah, hook them on back here. Give me a sec. Now the back is open. Now you smack those guys on. Now you can open up the back and yank out these guys. And they can come down safely or go up. Kind of gotta like to push a little hard for them to come in because it's kind of like a tight space. And to put them back in, you just there. On to the next detail. Next detail is a little hidden. Can you guess it? This opens up. So you can see him just playing games like pew pew pew. So he like little staircases. He can come up and then he can get into his game. Up here is like a screen this thing, like his acceleration, his deceleration. I really don't know much about cars. The reason why I don't have the bottom here is for the next one. And the reason why it's not just like this. The reason why it's not like this is because if you look right here, see those little two pegs? Lift it up a little. Well, I'm going to flip it on the side. See this right here? Flip it right here. And it'll stand. Now on to the next detail. Look closely at the back of this car. There's like a little med kit. And like Lego really did well on the design of this car. Like it can hold 2 people. Well, I just didn't have the energy to put this guy in completely. I'm not lazy. I'm just trying to get this video done quickly. So there's like a cool new piece. And also, here's something cool. You can lift this up. And like you can see all its engines and stuff like that. And yes, they tell you, Lego tells you, yes, you can do this. So I think one of my most favorite parts is this because it has all its little details in him. Top can pop up.
What are you doing? Oh, you're making a video about this here thing. Yeah, I drove it. I crashed though. It's hard to turn in this thing though.
Let's go to that clip now. Now, after we've done all of the details of this Lego, in my opinion, I give this Lego a 10 out of 10. I love this Lego, and it's a new series. So go online and get this thing for $100 if you're willing to spend more. Like,
this is not sponsored by Lego.
Yes, this is.
No, it isn't.
Well, Lego's not sponsoring us. We're just doing this for the sake of Legos. I just love Legos, and I think they have done well, like really well in this new set. Like compared to some of my other sets, this is actually taller than my highest skyscraper in me and Kanan's whole city.
What happens when this opens?
Well, basically, this is how tall this thing is in width. I really hope this thing does not fall.
That's a Lego character compared to it.
Yep.
What? How the heck did you get a Lego? Oh, this tall. How the heck did you get it to stand up? Like, is there a new drift pattern to get this happening?
No.
How does that now?
Well, that pretty much wraps up our whole video. I hope you guys liked it. Goodbye.
Peace. Peace.